The future of farming is here, and it is organic. Consumers are demanding food that is not only good for them, but also good for the planet. This means a move away from the chemical-laden practices of the past and a return to natural, sustainable methods. This is where the quantum organic line from Rocky Mountain BioAg comes in. This revolutionary suite of products is designed to meet the challenges of modern organic farming head-on. The quantum organic line is not just about growing food, it's about growing food better. It's about working with nature, not against it. It's about creating a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system. The quantum organic line offers a path that focuses on regenerating soil health and restoring its natural fertility. This is the promise of the quantum organic line, and it's a promise worth keeping. At the heart of the quantum organic line is a deep understanding of the soil food web. This complex network of microorganisms is essential for healthy plant growth. The quantum organic line aims to restore this balance, introducing beneficial microbes that enhance soil structure and boost nutrient availability. Imagine a microscopic world teeming with life, where bacteria, fungi, and other organisms work together to break down organic matter. One of the key ingredients in the quantum organic line is photosynthetic bacteria. These organisms capture energy from the sun and convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. The microbial formulations also help to improve soil structure, making it more porous and better able to retain water. This is especially important in regions prone to drought, ensuring crops have access to the moisture they need to thrive. Climate change is already having a profound impact on agriculture, with more frequent droughts, floods, and extreme weather events. The quantum organic line offers a way to build resilience into our agricultural systems. Healthy soil is more resistant to erosion, compaction, and drought stress. It acts like a sponge, absorbing and holding on to water, making it available to plants even during periods of low rainfall. The quantum organic line also includes bioenhancers that improve water retention and reduce soil compaction. These formulations help to create a more favorable environment for root growth, allowing plants to develop deeper and more extensive root systems. By enhancing carbon sequestration in the soil, these products help to mitigate the effects of climate change. Nature's balancing act, biodiversity, and the quantum solution. Biodiversity is the foundation of a healthy ecosystem, and agriculture is no exception. A diverse range of plants, animals, and microorganisms is essential for maintaining soil fertility, controlling pests and diseases, and ensuring the long-term sustainability of our food system. The quantum organic line recognizes the importance of biodiversity and is designed to promote a thriving ecosystem. Unlike synthetic pesticides, which can harm beneficial insects, the quantum organic line is pollinator-friendly and safe for beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. By fostering a healthy and diverse soil food web, the quantum organic line also helps to suppress plant diseases. Beneficial microbes compete with harmful pathogens for resources, making it more difficult for diseases to take hold. By reducing the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, these products help to protect water quality and prevent harmful runoff. This is essential for preserving aquatic ecosystems and ensuring that our waterways remain healthy for generations to come. Meeting the organic demand, quality and quantity. The demand for organic produce has never been higher. The quantum organic line helps growers to meet this growing demand by enabling them to produce high-quality, high-yield crops that meet the stringent standards of organic certification. The enhanced nutrient availability and improved soil health fostered by the quantum organic line result in crops that are not only more abundant, but also more nutrient-dense. This focus on quality is what sets the quantum organic line apart. It's not just about increasing yields, it's about growing the most flavorful, nutritious, and desirable produce possible. Whether you're a rancher aiming for nutrient-rich pastures or a small-scale grower focused on providing premium produce, the quantum organic line can help you achieve your goals. It's a versatile system that can be tailored to different growing environments and production methods. Partnering with nature, your gateway to quantum growth. The quantum organic line is more than just a set of products. It's a philosophy of farming. It's about working in harmony with nature, understanding the delicate balance of the soil food web, and harnessing the power of beneficial microbes. Rocky Mountain BioAg, as the master distributor for ecological laboratories, is your partner in this journey. Their knowledgeable staff is committed to providing growers with the support they need to succeed. The Quantum Organic line provides a clear path forward, allowing growers to tap into the incredible potential of nature. Explore the Quantum Organic line from Rocky Mountain BioAg and discover the transformative power of nature-based solutions for your farm or garden.